road tripping the Swiss Alps in our classic Porsche 911. This idea has been living inside me and my father's head for decades, and in 2022 we finally got around to doing it. Despite having a gobsmacking 260,000 kilometers on the clock, we trusted our 911 to endlessly drive up and down gorgeous mountain passes. Some legendary like the Stelvio, Furka or San Bernardino, others unknown to us but no less beautiful. We climbed to plus 2000 meters of altitude several times, in the sun, in the rain, and explored the Swiss Alps like never before, with a roaring flat six in the back, enjoying view after view in this stunning country. 5 days, 2,500 kilometers, and two car enthusiasts with a dream. My name is Robin, and welcome to Retroschaft Christmas Special.
A very good morning from the Austrian Alps. It's looking like an absolutely beautiful day. In a few minutes when we leave, we'll drive into Italy, do the Stelvio Pass today, which is obviously a legendary mountain road here in Europe. We'll do a few very great other mountain passes as well, and then end the day in St. Moritz in Switzerland. Well, that's decal number one. Obviously the goal is to have as many decals from this trip and other trips as possible in the end, but it's good to see that the collection has begun.
After a good night's sleep and a nice breakfast at the hotel, we took one last look at the map and decided on our route for the day. A quick stop at the local petrol station to fill up the car, and we were ready to head right into the mountains. Destination Stelvio. Enjoying the soft morning sun and fresh mountain air felt great after a scorching hot drive in the 911 the day before. We swiftly got to the beginning of the Stelvio Pass. The first part is surrounded by thick woods which, from time to time, reveal the Stelvio's epic glaciers. The 911 took the endless hairpins and thin air with ease, but it wasn't until we had already been climbing non-stop for 20 minutes that the true Stelvio revealed itself. When we finally got to the top of the Stelvio Pass, we arrived in what was probably the busiest mountaintop village we had ever seen.
Shit, hier gaat wel terug naar beneden. En daaruit is nog parken.
Ja, dat zou goed zijn. Well, we made it to the top and it's pretty busy up here. We're gonna look for our sticker, our decal of the Stelvio Pass, and then we're going to go onwards.
Buongiorno, ciao, hallo, Kenny, 22, grazie per la signora! 22.
I've never seen a busier mountaintop, I think. the amount of people and bikers and everything passing through here is pretty astonishing.
We left the Stelvio mountaintop village and decided to eat lunch on the go. Making our way to Davos, we check off 3 more mountain passes, the Umbriel, Ofen and Fluela Pass. The Fluela Pass had been on our list ever since Top Gear called this one of the most beautiful roads in the world, and what we experienced was nothing short of being called absolute driving heaven. An endless combination of smooth, sometimes even banked curves, which were complemented by the odd hairpin, guided us to the top of the mountain. I could go on forever about the beauty of this road, but even that comes second to the beauty of the scenery, which I'll let you enjoy to your heart's content. We arrived at the top of the Fluela Pass with a smile that confirmed we were in the right place, at the right time, in the right car, and most of all, with the right company. We took our time to enjoy our last mountaintop of the day and reminisce about all the things we'd seen over the past hours. Yet we still had one more thing to do.
Well, let's go look for another sticker.
3,50? So? Bitte.
Danke.
Danke.
Made it to our hotel. It's a pretty small little room, but it does the job very nicely, so we're happy. We're not too difficult on this. It's also beautifully located in the valley right beneath the mountains, so that's pretty cool as well. I'll give you a view of it in a second. But yeah, we're pretty tired actually. We've only done like 250 kilometers in total today, but those were pretty harsh kilometers. Luckily, the temperatures were a lot lower than yesterday, which is extremely nice because yesterday was just, it was killing us where we were sitting. And even though that the rain cooled everything down later in the day, which was extremely welcome, it also made everything extremely moist, so that was less we were a bit less excited about that. But yeah, we're gonna grab something to eat. Luckily we can eat at the hotel. There is one last important thing to do today, and that is to apply the stickers that we bought at the mountain passes on the underside of the front bonnet.
Stelvio, ombrel, oefenpas, fluwelen.
Heb je nog iets?
Ja.
So we have Fernpass, the Stelvio, Umbrella Pass, Ofenpass, Fluwela Pass, and Albula. And according to our calculations, we should do 10 more passes before the weekend is over, so plenty more to come. That's going to be it for today. Thank you very much for tagging along. We are not even halfway the trip, so there's still plenty more to come. Still a few adventures still await us, so yeah, see you tomorrow.